Hello, good evening and welcome to this video demonstration. My name is Ejike Obasi. Right now I am on the W3Schools platform. One thing I like about the platform is that it's intuitive. It's also mobile friendly and desktop friendly. The lessons are bite-sized and hands-on. So for now I don't think there's anything that should be improved. You can see my profile, Ejike Obasi. You can see that I have completed 39% of the SQL training. I have completed up to Home to Aliases as assigned for this week. As you can also see, these are some of the exercises I have completed. SQL delete exercise. I have also completed this exercise, SQL select exercise. As you can see, these are some of the exercises I have completed. I have also selected some resources that are very helpful for me to understand more about SQL. This is one of them. I've selected the Khan Academy. I selected it because just like the W3 platform, it has video lessons, hands-on, and the lessons are bite-sized. I also selected the YouTube video. This one is a YouTube video. Programming with Mosh is also hands-on and easy to follow and understand. So this is to show you how I have completed my assigned training for this week concerning SQL training and the resources I have selected to further explore. Thank you.